Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 66 Ford Bronco Custom. Has a body lift, has a suspension lift, oversized tires and wheels, 351 with Holley fuel injection. My body shop did the bumper, or did the body. You can see it's got custom bumpers on it. You can see the paint's got an awesome shine to it. We've got about 40 test miles on this build, so not a lot of issues anywhere with it, obviously. Seat's been redone, got a B&M shifter. We rhino line the floor. Does have the rear door panels too. Got the custom front door panels. CD player in it. There's your Terminator X Holley fuel injection. New dash pad, sun visors. Like I said, this is, see, we have scratched a little bit getting in here, but in a little bit of rub on the door. So I'm just showing you what's going on there. So brand new tires. There you can see the suspension and the body lift. If you look at the pictures underneath, you'll see how nice it is, but there you can see my reflection. This thing is just awesome. Missing the lock for the rear gate. You can't get one, so that's why. We did leave the holes for the spare tire carrier in case you want to put a custom one on. Did a lot of body work on it. I mean, sheet metal. There ain't no Bondo in it. 351 fuel injected, automatic, power steering, power brakes. Like I said, this thing is a show quality truck. Just getting it out, driving it some, getting it ready to sell. So if you're looking for one that's a top-notch one, yes, they're a lot of money, but this is one I can show you receipts on the whole build. So anything you want to know, I can tell you because we did it. So 605-695-7391.